Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing a midpoint where the router signal is stable but not full. This preserves throughput. Once powered, watch the LEDs until the repeater finishes booting. This prevents failed setup attempts. Make sure you have the router SSID and password on hand because you will replicate them. That's how the repeater extends coverage using the same network identity. Now plug the unit in within reach of the router and prepare to join its temporary setup network to continue configuration. You connect your phone or laptop to the repeater's setup network or open the Huawei app. This gives direct access to the configuration page. Once logged in at 192, 168, 3, 1 or via the app, select repeater mode and scan for your main router SSID. This copies network settings so devices roam seamlessly. Enter the exact Wi-Fi password, confirm the security type, and let the device auto-select a compatible channel unless you need a fixed channel for interference control. Save and apply. You now move the repeater to its permanent midpoint, keep it elevated, and avoid thick walls or metal appliances because those reduce range. Once placed, test by walking between router and repeater while checking signal strength and running a quick speed test to verify throughput. Make sure devices see the same SSID and that DHCP assigns IPs correctly. If you encounter connection failure, restart both devices first, then recheck the password. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and repeat the setup steps to clear corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.